guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be very exciting because I bought a $200 mystery box. I have it flipped down. Now, I have not actually looked in here, like the bubble wrap's still on top, so we don't know what's inside. Way too much of a reaction. I'm sorry for that. I always get pretty excited for these. I've never really hit the jackpot necessarily with these, but I've had some that were pretty good. This was a $200 box, but what's interesting and gonna be really fun about this video today is, I'm gonna show you the back side because the front side has my address. I bought a $10 mystery box off eBay. Now the $200 ones are very hard to come by because most of the listings are for cheaper mystery boxes, so I had to wait it out and I finally snagged a $200 one, so hopefully it'll be worth it. But I picked up a $10 one because I've never done one this cheap, and I'm really interested to see what all I get for $10. $10. Oh my god, tens across the board. So it's gonna be real good, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and sing the subscribe song. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel for more fun content, and make sure your notification bell is on so you'll be the first to know when I upload. And then we'll jump right in. Oh, by the way, if you want to submit a subscribe song, you have to submit it to LauraLeeLosAngeles@gmail.com. That's where we go through and pull all the subscribe songs for my videos. I know I get DM'd them a lot, but then they get lost in the DMs and I can't find them, and it only shows me so many DMs on Instagram and I can't see anymore, so it's like, so just send them to the email girl. Okay, let's sing the song.
Subscribe to my channel before you subscribe.
All right, let's jump right into the video. I think we should do the $10 one first because I think the $10 one is gonna be quick, easy, and fun. And the other one's really big, so I'm gonna go ahead and slice it open. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. I got necklaces. What? Why did I get necklaces, guys? I thought it was gonna be $10 worth of makeup whenever I type in mystery beauty box, but I didn't. I got a necklace. This is very Coachella. I got a necklace that appears to have a watch on it. So let's have a look at her. I did not expect this whatsoever. Like, I'm literally really a little confused. Yeah, we have a little watch necklace. You know what? This is some crap they would sell in Urban Outfitters for like 50 bucks. So I got it for less. Okay, they don't have to know. And then I got a just a black beaded necklace. So necklaces. Did not expect that. But wait, there's more. I also got this little eyeshadow brush. It's by Farrah and it feels pretty nice. It feels pretty soft. Feels pretty good. Okay, so a eyeshadow brush. And I got one more thing. See, this is why we did the $10 one first because it was so quick. I've never heard of this brand before. It is a lip product. It's called Eggplant. And oh, it's just a gloss. It's a maroony lip gloss. So we got that in the bag. Okay, that was our $10 one. Maybe the items would total up to be $10, but at the end of the day, these aren't necessarily items I really want or need. So I don't, personally for me, think it's worth the $10 box because I won't use most of these items. Oh, Jesus Christ. I just knocked over a full glass of tea on top of a power strip cord that was plugged into the wall. So I don't know if I'm about to get electrocuted or what's about to happen. I better record in case something happens. I like halfway cleaned up that mess back there, so if you see sparks flying, it's because we have a catastrophe underneath me that I'm gonna have to deal with in just a minute. Okay, so next we'll jump into our really pricey box. And it came in this postal box. It's a large one. Lots of tissue and bubble wrap in here. Okay. She wrote me a note that said, don't read this first because you're gonna ruin your surprise. Literally on the box. And the whole box smells really yummy. These are not a high-end brand, but I think they're so cute. She put little notes on everything, so I feel like she like cares about the items. What is this? Oh my god, they're lip balms! Aaron is going to murder me to get these. Fruit Loops and peanut butter and jelly. Guys, do you see it's like Fruit Loops and a PB&J and a juice box? Oh. How do I get into comment? Come out. Do you guys see the little lip balm? I'm not really sure how to scroll it up. The Juice Box one has a little scrolly up. Do you guys see this lip balm? Oh, it smells like watermelon. It smells so good. It's a Juice Box. Okay, let's open the Fruit Loops one. Oh, it flew into the trash can. What is happening today? It's a milk carton with a little lip balm. Imagine if it smelled like milk. It actually smells really good. And then the Fruit Loops box, it kind of smells like toffee. I don't know, but this is what it looks like. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I think it's adorable. I'm obsessed. It tastes like PB&J. I don't know.
How am I supposed to use it?
The next item does not have a note on it. Oh my god, we have Tarte makeup in here, guys. Like literally Tarte. And it says wine not. Oh my gosh. This is definitely the nicest. It's the wine brush. Literally the wine cup brush. Oh my gosh. Look at this. From Tarte. So I actually got this in PR. And then it is also the Wine Not lip product that they just recently came out with. Oh my god, I cannot believe Tarte came in here. Like, what? I can't believe it. So that's amazing. Okay, let's see what else we got. This feels like a picture frame. Guys, it's a full Too Faced eyeshadow palette. Oh my god. What? I think after all my mystery box buying, like this one is finally paying off. What? I cannot believe I just got this in the box. I had to freeze for a minute. What? I can't believe it. Wow. Okay. Watch it be a YouTuber who sent me their PR. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's untouched. This is the real palette. This makeup is not fake. I'm telling you. Oh my god. I can't believe that they sent this to me in the box. Like, what? That's amazing. Wow. Okay. Here we go. We got something else. We got something else. We got something else. Hollywood Lips from Charlotte Tilbury. This is like the little Christmas thing, I think, but still it's 2 Charlotte Tilbury liquid lipsticks and they look gorgeous. So let's swatch both of them, shall we? Like, I am truly Shakira right now. These 2 colors are gorgeous. I really like both colors. I think they're so pretty. I'll go ahead and swatch that Tarte one for you too while we're at it. Oh, it's just like a clear lip jelly right here, like a little tint to it. It's really soft coloring. Okay, oh my gosh. Are we freaking out yet? Have you guys watched my other unboxing videos? Ooh, stuff is not like this. It ain't like, I got literally somebody's like garage clean out once, okay? Next product. Jesus, Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. Wow. Wow, a full-size Bad Gal Bang. I think I'm like already over what I would have spent if I went to Sephora. I bought the Charlotte Tilbury, bought the Too Faced palette, bought the Bad Girl Bang, bought the Tarte brush, the Tarte, or the PB&J things, and the lippy. Like, I think I'm over the price limit of what I would have paid. Okay, we have another note. Swipe the brush across the entire palette. Flip the brush over, do it again. So the product is on both sides of your brush. Then apply it to your face. I hope the highlight brush and the bronzer blush land in the right place, LOL. They wrote another cute note. I'm like, oh my gosh, no, I know what this is. This is It Cosmetics. Yeah, like, girl. Okay. The Confidence in a Compact. You have a highlighter, brush, blush, and bronzer. And then she also sent the brush that goes with it. And It Cosmetics brushes are super high-end, super luxe, and really nice. So she gives you the brush and the compact. Guys, what? Okay. Next up, we have another note. This is my favorite liner because the fine tip brush, oh, she's a makeup queen. She's a makeup queen. It's the It Cosmetics Superhero Liner. I'm obsessed with this product too. I want to show you guys like how good. You must see. So it comes in this really big, nice packaging. So nice. You guys see that? It's a really nice felt tip liner. I mean, I'm sorry, it's a brush tip, it's not a felt tip. It does a really good job though of lining, so I love this product. Okay, this is a brand new release. They're coming out with more fun, unique items. I hope you have fun with this. What could it be? Ew. Okay guys, I think this is someone's PR. Like, I'm not kidding you, because they just sent me the pizza palette from Glamlight. Unless they buy all this stuff, which I don't know, maybe they buy it all. I don't know. I mean, I can't judge, but like, I also have this palette, but they literally sent me the Glamlight pizza palette. Whew! Look at this. I didn't review this on my channel, but I do have it over there, and their eyeshadows are amazing. And this morning, I was actually talking about their brand new hamburger palette they came out with on my IG story. So this is insane. What just happened? We just went from 0 to 100 with a $10 versus like the $200. Mine, I think, was a little less than 200 actually, but it was pretty close with like shipping and everything, I believe. So this is insane. I've never gotten a mystery box with as many useful items. I am making an assumption saying it could be someone's PR, just because I'm like, I've gotten all this stuff in PR, so that's why I just have to wonder. But I don't know, maybe if the person's not using it, they're trying to sell it. Or, I mean, like, I truly don't know. Maybe they're like buying a bunch of makeup and the products they're not using, they're selling. I don't know. I don't know. But anyways, this was by far the best. I think my favorite thing on this pizza box, it says, warning, do not eat. Okay, that's enough out of me, but I gotta say, like, I was not expecting that. I was hoping I just hope for the bare minimum with these, because my past with them is just like, ah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for being here and watching. Please subscribe to my channel before you leave and give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Like, I'm really just like, what just happened? I'm pretty excited about everything. I will swatch this palette really quickly for you because I have not talked about it yet on my channel, and you guys know I try to hit on a lot of the new items that's coming up so you can make an executive decision before you go spend your money buying stuff. All right, here are some of the swatches. The colors, they seem very glittery, all the colors, but if you can tell, the glitter sparkle, and really pretty though. So they seem nice. And then let me just play with some of the mattes. Yeah, the mattes seem really pigmented, but Too Faced has pretty darn good matte eyeshadow. So I'm excited. I will be using this at some point, but how pretty. And I'm just like, what? Okay, so I'm gonna quit freaking out and end this video, but thank you again for being here and watching. Leave me a comment about your thoughts down below, and I will also link down below some of my other mystery unboxing videos, because I think I have 2 more, an eBay one and an Amazon one for you to check out. I love you guys. Thank you for being here and watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.